Okay, linear pairs is our next vocab word here. So linear pairs. Our definition for linear pairs is going to be two adjacent angles that are formed when two lines intersect. That are formed when two lines intersect. Okay, so here we're going to have two lines here intersect. Okay, and then the adjacent angles that are formed here are going to be called linear pairs. So for example, 1 and 2 would be linear pairs. Right, 1 and 2 would be a linear pair. 2 and 3 would form a linear pair. Right, they're adjacent angles formed by two lines intersecting. 3 and 4 would be a linear pair. They're adjacent. Right, adjacent means that they're right next to each other. They share a ray in common. One of the rays of the angles is shared between them. So 1 and 2 are a linear pair. 2 and 3 are a linear pair. 3 and 4 are a linear pair. And then 1 and 4 are a linear pair. Okay, so adjacent angles that are formed when two lines intersect. And then we have the linear pair theorem. So linear pair theorem. Okay, so this theorem says if two angles are a linear pair, so that's your hypothesis, if two angles are a linear pair, right, then they are supplementary. Supplementary. Okay, so if you have two angles are a linear pair, they're going to be supplementary. So angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary. Right, so this is going to tell us that angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary. Okay, angle 2 and 3 are supplementary. Angle 3 and 4 are supplementary. Angle 1 and 4 are supplementary. Right, so this means the measure of those angles are going to add up to 180, right? The definition of supplementary is going to tell us that the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 equals 180. But we know they're supplementary because the linear pair theorem says if they're linear pairs, then they're supplementary.